Hello, this is Laura from Craltech Electronica. We are presenting here at ISC our new Core video processor. It has 8 HDMI inputs, so it's possible to control up to 8 PCs in a really easy way. We have a smart toolbar with access to different layouts that can be selected absolutely really quick. It's super easy. It's possible to resize windows, move the signals, change the layout. It has swap features. It's super easy to use and super intuitive and can be used to build desktop solutions. You can find more information at Digibox.